Hi guys, good morning. So today we'll see Catalyst Specialist Certification Maintenance Winter 25. So we have the multiple questions module is there. We'll see this. Right. So what is the meaning of a catalyst principle? So don't repeat the wheel. We'll go for D next. So which catalyst principle emphasize working in iterative feedback cycle to drive innovation and manage customer expectations. We'll go for the C next. So, what is the catalyst knowledge hub? You'll go for B. And how can a catalyst specialist document a desired business outcomes with stakeholders? We'll go for D. So, which a catalyst tool tracks business outcomes and can be expressed as a chart. chart. We'll go for C. Sorry, B. So, which architect pattern is used to deliver a message payload with a state and data? We'll go for the D. Okay, so check the quiz. Done. So, we successfully completed Catalyst a specialist certification maintenance for the winter 2025.